When you need uncompromising performance in fields like architecture and engineering, you need a workstation, and the HP ZBook 17G4, $1,529 to start, $6,059 as tested, might be the most powerful mobile workstation yet. Armed with a veritable arsenal of high-powered components and ISV certification that assures the machine will work with a variety of professional applications, the ZBook 17 is a whole herd of workhorses crammed into one 17-inch chassis. Made of aluminum with a gray finish HP calls Space Silver, the HP ZBook 17G4 is a beefy laptop that weighs 7.1 pounds and measures 16.5 by 11.0 by 1.3 inches. It's more portable than a desktop PC and monitor, should you try to haul those around, but this mobile workstation is clearly a desktop replacement. The 17.3-inch laptop has an IPS panel, which offers great viewing angles, 3840 by 2160 resolution and an anti-glare coating that makes it just as usable outdoors in sunlight as in a conference room. Thanks to HP's Dream Color display, the panel supports wide color gamuts in millions of colors, and it's factory calibrated, so your display looks great right out of the box. When I watched the trailer for Pilgrimage, the colors looked great, with the forest setting appearing lush and green, while red cloaks and shields looked true to life. Details were also clear in the 1080p trailer, including the stubble of a monk's shorn head and the nicks and scrapes that covered a battle-worn shield. The 17-inch laptop chassis provides enough space for a full-size keyboard and number pad, with room to spare on either side. The tile keys are comfortable to type on, with 1.55 mm of travel, 1.5 to 2 mm is typical, and an actuation weight of 69 grams. Thanks to the ample real estate afforded by the ZBook's large chassis, there's plenty of space for ports along either side of the laptop. Our review unit was configured with an Intel Xeon E3 1535 MV6 processor, 64 GB of RAM and an NVIDIA Quadro P5000 graphics card. That potent combination offers excellent performance, even when compared to other workstations. At one point, I was watching a YouTube video and listening to music on Spotify, with an additional 20 browser tabs open, and the system never even slowed down. The HP ZBook 17G4 is outfitted with a 96 watt-hours battery, which lasted just 4 hours and 59 minutes in the laptop mag battery test, web surfing at 100 nits. That's better than we may have expected for a power-hungry desktop replacement, given that the MSI W727RJ, 257, and HP ZBook 15G4, 433, both offered shorter times, but it's shorter than the Lenovo ThinkPad P70's time, 553, and hours behind the Dell Precision 5520's mark, 1157.